or you can do top, doesn't matter. So keep it up like that, Maya. Sometime in part of life I would give up because it's so difficult and it's so hard, right? You look at the in social media, it looks so it's like, how do I saying it? It looks too perfect. You know, sometimes it's like seeing people who are doing a few hours a set of nails and posting that, it's make us look so shame because there's no way we can doing it like that. But it take maybe a few hours to get a showcase nails. Like a lot of pictures on a magazine, fashion shows and anything, it take hours and days to make a perfect picture that will say, oh my God, I want it, right? So do not discouraged by that. Just focus on what you're doing. You are doing well. Great. Okay, I mix it again. So, sorry, because I'll drop it. So now I did 3 drop of the top coat and or the base coat. Either way, I use base if I gonna using it with my 40 gels, so then I can get a little bit tacky layer. But if I using with others, then I'm gonna just using a top. So either way, or if you finish the top for the clients like that, you know. Okay, great. 60 seconds. I've been using this all day. This will give you like probably a whole like 5 nails. So I was like getting on that. Sorry. Can I get diamond shards in that color?
Artistry Nails Ohio asks, where can I find the precision glue pen?
Artistry, thank you so much for the question. You can find it on our official website at Glitz Accessory and such, and you can find that right on the link in the bio, sweetie. And it called is precision glue. Also, if you are shopping on Amazon at your convenience, like say if you know if you're getting something for the house or anything else, we don't have an Amazon, you can search for Glitz Accessory and such on Amazon's. It's gonna pop it up and gonna show you that is available on Amazon, both condensed glue gels and precision glue. Give it convenience, or you can find it on our website, Glitz Accessory and such, and you can find it right on our link in bio. All right, so great. Awesome. So what do you want to do with this one? All right. So now going back to this cute gel painting, they're so excited. I can't wait to share with you so many more colors coming in to fulfill your wish and your desires. You want more colors come in. It's gonna be here before you know it. So I am going to draw some lace on it for you. Let's see. And I'm saying I'm not really artistic, but look at that. It's really been good to me. It's okay. Aha, I got it. And a good thick density is not too, oh, I did something with that. Not a big deal. It's cool though, this nails is small, but I can do that. Maya, what are you feeling like when you graduate? Are you excited? What did I do with these nails? Slippery. Sorry, did I get it off? It's funny, it's hard because you know why? Because they have a tacky underneath and I see through it and I say, wait a minute, where's my line going? It's okay. Okay, flash gear for 10 seconds. Because you can do it right way, but I don't want to using this brush and it's gonna drag to the others. So the harder parts will be deciding which one. Thank you so much, Artistry. The Nuna, you said the hardest part would be deciding which one to recreate. Close your eyes and feel like which one you feel like you're in the spring moods or neons, or you want to do like, I don't know, or four. That's fun to
Maya said, I am excited, Nancy. I've been waiting for years to get to this point. I've had many struggles. I'm so happy I pushed through and made it to the end.
That's awesome. Is that Maya?
Yeah.
Maya, great. Girl is
Super cute bling nails said, I wish I could be like Maya and the lady from Glitz.
You can do it. Just don't give up. Sometimes it's really hard, and I will sit and I just like crying because why is everybody doing it so gorgeous, and then I couldn't figure out how. Why my crystals keep falling off. My gel painting was a mess, and then my acrylic looks like a mountain. I have that moment. I'm swear with you, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of tear, a lot of disappointment, discouraged, but you know, it's great that you have to have a mindset that you want to win it. And it's not because you want to be better than anyone else, because we're all unique of own way. You're only doing it for yourself. So just, you can do it. Okay, now next. We're gonna clear this one. 30 seconds.
10 seconds.
30 seconds.
You want 30? Okay.
So I'm so proud. Every time like I see a new graduations, and it just remind me, it's still because as of today I still learning. I'm not gonna lie to you. I still learning from today, from all of you.
Yes, definitely. If you go to prom, do not get a virtual prom. That would be just weird.
Virtual prom.
Like, I'm not sure how you guys gonna just like dancing in front of your webcam.
Oh, they have virtual graduation though.
Yeah, but
Did you see that?
like she says she rather wait for the actual graduation with people.
Yeah. Do they gonna do that? Is they gonna make it up?
Maya
All right.
said they're
So-
doing a virtual graduation. If y'all want it, I'll record them saying my name and I'll send it to the chat.
Yeah, that'd be
Okay,
cute.
that'd be cute. That'd be awesome.
A lot of us was like, "Aw, y'all, we got to do a Zoom prom for Maya."
Yeah, we
should
can
do
do a Zoom prom. Zoom only let her do 45 minutes.
Like wherever you guys.
We can do a Zoom chat together in the group.
Yeah. So when they announce your name, all of us gonna just yell out for you.
No,
I'll
she's
be
like,
loud.
"No, I'd probably cry."
Oh, it's great because everybody care for you. Okay, no white top coat on the top. You know what? It's just not about the nails anymore now for us. It's the hours. It's everybody in its community to support each other no matter what. So I love.
Ashley Genial said we should
Yeah,
do.
looks cool. Okay, what should I do with this? I should do the red. Maybe should I do a red? I feel like.
Hey, well, I'm not sure about if just that, but hey, if you have a prom dress like prep up already, you should still wear it. I don't know if you can get your date, take a picture of them. That'd be interesting. But hey, at least take a picture of yourself.
That'd be awesome.
And see, and at least you guys still have a prom. Like back when I was in school, on my prom, I got kicked out because they bring more than one date. And it's not even a date. It's just like just a group of my buddy, and like too many people out. And it's
I'm
weird.
sorry.
We get ticket and everything.
It's just so loud. I say, it's funny because he said that he had too many dates, too many people. You were out. I don't know if I want to do all this. Okay, I know what I want. Forgot about this. Ah, I got it. Okay, it's okay, I'll leave it alone.
Oh, so new look. As what do you do when your top coat have a little hole in when you put it on? So I guess you use a different brand, and she's asking how's that happening.
How say it again?
So I guess when she put top coat on, I think when she cured, she got some hole in them, almost like a little gap, like a little bubble. I'm guessing.
See. So on the top of the condensed glue gel, you mean?
Oh no, she used some other glue. She's just asking because she's asked for troubleshoot.
Okay, is that more detail for me? Like if you apply the condensed the glue gel, you mean? And then you put the top coat on? Is that your gels is no wipe? Is that the no wipe gel?
She said yes.
Right? Yep. So then if you doing on the top of the shiny surface, or if you're using the top of the tacky surface, like it's gonna be the same with effects with the top coat. So when the top coat is on the top of the shiny surface, and it might separate the top coat out because it's the surface that you apply on is too slick and too smooth that it was separating it. Like the same when you're doing top coat, one top coat already, and you put another layer of top coat, it's gonna be separated out because it's too slick and it's not gonna grab it. Can you try it again and then let me know? If it like a no white top coats, no white glue gels, gym gels. So it's probably might be cause that happen. I could be, until I seen if you taking me a picture, I can able to tell me more detail.
Sonia asked, do you store your stones by color or size?
It depends. If I doing Sonia, if I store them, like say with this one, a mix, I store them like that. Like the colors are mixing by size. So after a while, I'm working with different sizes. So I kind of getting really used to with the size that I'm working on. But if you feel like you're more comfortable with like getting different sizes, like on a different container, it works well too. It's even better if you want to like, okay, I'm gonna get size 5 or I want to get size like 8 or 10 or something like that. So it really is your preference. I think I'm gonna do this one. This one looks so dramatic, everyone. So like, because I don't want to cover this whole entire lace in the back. It looks good. So dramatic. I want to add some, I should add this one as the opal. Too late. Should I? Look. Beautiful. It's gonna be really pretty. Okay, let me clear that first. Looks cool though. It's so dramatic.